Hi guys, so today maglalaro tayo nito. Parang 38 siya, pero nagsimula na ako. Sorry. You know why? Oh, what is it? Yan na dyan na. Kasi maawat ko dyan is 30 talaga. Sweet. Ouch. Parang ay, talalang. Tatalon na. 30 po naabot ko dyan. Pero, sorry. Makikot. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. That's not tapping. I'm so sorry. Wait.